Hi everyone! For today's origami, we'll be folding a Bigfoot bird, which is really cute. Look at how big the feet are on the model, it's so cute. So yeah, like usual, we'll be starting off with a square piece of origami paper and we'll be folding a fish base to start off with. So we fold it diagonally in half first. Then we're going to fold either side towards the center crease. Like so, and then what we want to do is flip round and fold the point at the bottom towards the top, so you're folding it in half basically. And flip it back round, and what we want to do is open these up and squash down the fold. And we're going to do the same on the other side, open it up and then squash down. Awesome. So then once we have that, we want to fold this down the model and flip it around and upside down, and this is where we should begin with from the model. So grabbing the point at the bottom here, and if you can see there's this crease just right here of the model, we're going to fold the point to that crease. Amazing. And then after that, we want to kind of fold this back. No, we want to, how best to do this? Let's crease the center first just by pinching it, and then on either side here we want to pinch fold so that we have like two kind of diagonalish lines on either side, and like, you know, kind of as you do that you can see this I think actually we want to do this further down. We see this like triangular shape form as we sort of do that. So like so. Like that. And then we want to just squeeze it together. Squeeze it together completely. Kind of press down. And then from there we want to basically fold the model in half. So from the center, fold it in half, and it should be facing this way. And then what we want to do after that is we want to open this up, basically the top here, and bring it down. So opening it up and bring it down. But as we do so, instead of like pushing and squashing this way, we're going to push it so it's out. So we're going to squash down, pinch, and then squash it. I'm going to kind of shape it at the same time. If you put your finger here to make sure you're like kind of shaping it so it's not folded all the way to the point back here. Cool. I think my camera's like slightly dying from the light directly shining on it, so let's be quick, I guess. So yeah, that's how your head should look in the end. And then for the arms, you can like basically fold them just out like that, because it's going to be standing upright, our model. And for the tail here, actually we want to flip it the other way around. So if we just open it up, we can just like flip this tails. So opening it, and then we're just going to squash down, and that's how it should look. And then this is basically the main part for our bow. So that was part done. I'm going to put it to the side, grabbing another piece of origami paper. We're going to make the feet, which is basically a pig base. So what we want to do, starting on the blank side, fold it in half, and then we want to fold the bottom and top towards the center crease we just made. And then we want to fold the whole entire model in half. Like so, and opening it back up, and then we want to fold either side towards the center crease we just made. And then opening it back up, do the same on the other side. And opening it back up. And then what we want to do is squash both all corners, not just two corners. Opening it up and then squash down the fold. So it shouldn't be too hard since you've like made other creases already, so your model will just like follow it as you open it up. Cool. So then once you've got that, what you want to do is fold these flaps back actually. So like closing them. And then we want to fold the whole model over in half, like so. So then time to insert the feet onto it. So we want to just fold this crease in half here, and that's going to be our feet, and we just want to insert our model into it. So then it's like that, which is not a very good shot of it. If I put it on the side so it looks like this, so yeah, this is how it should look. I think this is far. If I twist it a bit, this is how it should look basically. I'll do another shot of it like standing up, and yeah, basically this is it. This is the origami. Like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I do on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.